Wow.
So this is another quarry,
Oh, this is beautiful, man.
but they blocked it off. So this is what I mean, Illuminati. Do you reckon Tom's still alive?
Oh, wow, man. This is beautiful. Do you think people would come and swim over here?
Yeah. If you, oh cool, now I know. I'm going to jump off this rock in the sun. This one here, because it's never been this low. I've never seen it this low.
Oh, really? So it's usually high?
Yeah, it's usually up to, yeah, just about
Right.
at the bottom of that paint.
Right.
But now I know, because I never knew what was underneath, so I didn't really jump in. But when I come with my